Good morning, everybody. How's it going today? Today, we're going to be putting on anhydrous ammonia with something I haven't showed you guys yet that I'm kind of proud of. I mean, it doesn't look like much, but it's mine, and I really like it. Alright. This is my 9130. Case International, basically Steiger. I think it's like the Puma 1000 was what the Steiger was, or Wildcat maybe, I'm not sure. But it's the row crop special 4-wheel drive. Yeah, row crop special right there in the aged decals. Inboard planetaries, 3-point PTO, 3 remotes, and a mystery hose there. If anybody knows what that is, you could tell me, because I don't. And here we have a 27-foot Flex King spike rig and a great big tank of anhydrous ammonia. This is my first season with this tractor. This is actually the first job it's done. But needs a couple new tires on the front outside. Custom floor. Let's start it up. Turn the fan off because it's cool this morning. I'm going to let it warm up a little bit, let the transmission get lubricated, and then we'll start fertilizing. So I guess thanks for tuning into the farm show this time, and be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in a little bit. Bye-bye.